I'll discuss Target Cool, which is a booster treatment. I'm making this video to offer further explanation regarding this booster. Hello, I'm Lee Suik, Director of Modumo Clinic's Daegu branch. Today, I want to discuss a treatment named Target Cool, a booster designed to greatly amplify the effects of the hair loss treatment injections I regularly administer. I've turned on the camera again to further elaborate on this booster. Among my favorite videos are those featuring millionaires and billionaires discussing how they've refined their lifestyle habits and attained what's often referred to as work-life balance. How to achieve work-life balance? That's something I personally spend a great deal of time contemplating. I have to perform surgery, which gives me shoulder pain and drains my physical strength, but then I also have to exercise to fix it. And when I get home, I also have to play with the kids. I'm always deeply contemplating how to strike a balance between life, personal affairs, and work. There are many videos by successful, wealthy individuals who explain how they manage these things. Among those habits, a significant number engage in cold showers immediately upon waking in the morning, showering with entirely cold water. When you take a cold shower, hormones such as cortisol are immediately released and activated. This activation of various hormones leads to a healthier body and a heightened sense of alertness. This is a widely discussed effect. You've probably seen on the internet the kinds of treatments that athletes and others undergo. They enter a massive chamber where the temperature is lowered to an extremely low point, staying briefly. They go in naked, so their whole body freezes and then thaws, which is a treatment that makes the body healthier and rejuvenated. Those are common. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy through high concentration oxygen inhalation rejuvenates cells, and we utilize those effects. We perform procedures such as injections on the scalp. We use either injections or MTS to administer injectable ampules, creating numerous microvoles, then applying or injecting the solution into them. With injections, we deliver the substance using pressure, but with MTS, we can't apply pressure into every microhole, making it more of a topical application. However, this device enables us to inject it with intense pressure from above. It uses a carbon dioxide refrigerant, spraying with pressure to lower the temperature to nearly 0 degrees. Since the entire scalp nearly freezes to about 0 degrees, the stem cells and other cells located beneath the hair follicles become fully activated and awaken. This greatly improves the absorption of the ampule, and since the stem cells are effectively awakened, the ingredients responsible for producing hair within the hair follicles become 2 to 3 times more potent, significantly boosting their overall effectiveness. This is what's generally called cryotherapy, and our treatment is based on that therapy. Especially during these scorching summer months, you can anticipate an even cooler effect. And in traditional medicine, there's this concept of scalp heat, isn't there? While that concept is less common in modern medicine, there are cases where you feel a strong sensation of heat due to inflammation or vasodilation. In such cases, it dramatically cools down that heat, making it a specialized booster for the summer. Of course, it can be used in winter too. For one, there's very little pain. A typical course involves 20 or 30 injection shots. The constant needle insertions can be painful, and while we employ a vibrator to minimize discomfort, this particular booster lowers the temperature to absolute 0 degrees. Administering injections after reaching that temperature significantly diminishes any sensation of pain. Patients say it's great because both the heat and pain are greatly reduced. Medication is well absorbed, activation is boosted, pain is lowered, and scalp heat sensation drops. It truly is an outstanding booster, you see. If you undergo treatment at Modumo Clinic and incorporate these specific boosters, you're sure to discover exceptionally positive effects and achieve remarkable results. If you ever have any concerns about your scalp or hair loss, please don't hesitate to contact us and visit our clinic. We truly hope you'll consider and personally experience the benefits of such a treatment. If you look at the vibrator we use to reduce pain, it looks like this. We press this part against the patient's scalp and spray. It turns white like this, right? That's when we administer the injection. When we do it this way, things like pain are further reduced. This is how we inject. Since you're already getting scalp injections, this is a way to make the treatment more active and effective. Your head gets so hot in the summer, right? It's great to try it then too.